Hello and hi everyone. So this is the lab work for BGN114 formwork construction. There are few types of formwork for concrete construction. Formwork is actually a concrete construction used as a mold which fresh concrete will be poured. And the formwork material and types of structural elements will depend on its usage. First, timber formwork is very light in weight, easy to workable with nails and free from loose knots. Second, plywood formwork. It have a smooth finishes. It saves the labor cost in terms of fixing and dismantling and can be reused. Next is steel formwork. It is very strong, durable, longer lifespan, easy to install and dismantle with high quality. Tools and equipments in formwork installation. First, woods. There are few types of woods used according to the size, shapes, and usage. There are 1x2 or 2x4 or plywood. This wood can be used and can be cut off by using saw. It's either hand saw or electric saw. The using of saw must be not too fast and not too slow, with the angle used is about 45 degrees Celsius. Next, ruler. There are few types of ruler that can be used in terms of remarking the cutting area. We have the L ruler. We have also the folding ruler, tri-square, and of course the famous measuring tape. So these are the comparison of using folding ruler and measuring tape. Folding ruler is a segmented ruler and measuring tape is one of a kind tape to measure the dimension or length or width. Next is hammer. Hammer used for driving the nails into wood. There are several types of hammer and it will be influenced by the usage according to its size, weight, and height. Hammer has a metal head and handle. It must be sure to attach the handle to the head. The usage of a hammer is actually to drive the nails and also to remove the nails by using the claw hammers. Next is nail. There are different types of nails normally used in formwork construction, but we normally use these smooth nails. It can be used easily with hammer. It is standard and round head nails. Nails also have a different height or length. Lastly, racking bar with claw. Racking bar is actually tools to pull the nails or to breaking the woods by the usage of lower force. It must be used and it is very durable and normally manufactured in steel. It has a claw that the head must be thin enough to pull off the nails or to break the woods without damaging. So this is the example of formwork installation. As you can see, the usage of plywood with different sizes, different length, and also the plywood. So the concrete will be poured inside the formwork and must be left to be hardened. So in the lab, we can construct this formwork and we can produce simple types of formwork. So thanks for watching and thanks for listening.